Okay, Kenneth. So, how are you? How is life going?
I'm good. Actually, as you can see, the COVID here in Philippines still somehow rising. So currently, we're on a work from home. I mean, most of the companies here is in work from home, but eventually, some businesses are going back.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
that's great.
That's
So, am I
mm-hmm.
pronouncing your name correctly? It is Kenneth or something else?
Yeah, it's Kenneth. It's correct, Kenneth.
Okay. So, how would you explain the term SAP FICO?
SAP FICO. Okay. If I would be explaining SAP FICO, so technically SAP FICO is consist of two modules. So since it's both integrated because it's more on the finance perspective, so most commonly is FI and CO are combined. So but technically it's two modules in SAP. So number one is the FI or the financial accounting. So financial accounting module. So it caters the external reporting requirement for the businesses or the transactions in business transactions or the CO or the controlling. So it caters the internal reporting or management reporting for the company. So mostly when implementations are done, so FICO is a core module in SAP. So of course, all transactions, whether it's related to inventory or purchasing, so or um, sales or even manufacturing. So all transactions boils down to finance. I mean, every transaction or movement, it affects finance. So I think FICO module is modules. So that's all.
Okay. Can you tell me what are the other modules to which financial accounting is integrated?
Yeah. So FICO module is integrated. So most commonly is number one with materials management. So it caters the procure to pay process or purchase to pay. So from materials management, so we do the PR or purchase requisition, and then there would be purchase order, of course, and then there would be goods receipt. So once there's a goods receipt, so there's a financial impact. So what happens is, of course, we are receiving inventory. So the inventory is recorded in system. So it would be integrated or the financial entries or the accounting entries will be created automatically upon transacting in materials management module. So after that, so once it is received, so next process would be there would be of course once a supplier will be billing the company or the company. So there would be a payment process. So of course payment process is in the SAP module. So once you process once you process the invoice, of course, so after processing the invoice there would be a processing of payments. So that's the number one example. So where FICO module integrates. And the most common also is sales and distribution. So there's of course the company would have customers, and then for example there would be orders for the company. So the company will from the creation of sales orders, and then there would be delivery. So in the delivery process, so there would be goods issue or the movement again of the inventories. Or so once it is done, so there would be of course again integration with FI module. So once it is done, so of course after the delivery, the next stage would be billing. So we bill the customers. So in billing, of course, we recognize accounts receivable, and then we provide it to our customers, and then after that, so the customers would pay. So it depends on the setup. So it depends on the payment terms and everything. So once the customer pays his invoice or liability to ours, so there would be incoming payment process. So that's number one. I mean, that's the end step or the last integration between the sales and distribution. And then other modules would be like production and planning module. So there would be a production order, and then after that, so production orders being created. So once the production order is done, so there would be a goods receipt of the produced materials or product. So there's an integration again in FI and CO. So the costing part. So I'll just put it on a higher perspective. So the costing. So there would be a effect in the costing of the material produced. So and then of course there would be impact again in FI since we are receiving a finished goods inventory. So after that, of course, this process, so the produced materials can be now sold, or of course can be used in selling. So that's all. And the other modules would be project system. So for project system, so I have a bit knowledge. So for project system module, so for my current project,
Let,
so
let us move to
they did
some
it
other
as
questions, Kenneth. Okay, so I
mhm.
understand that you have a
So
very
I'll
good
send it
concept.
here.
Uh,
I'm sorry. So I think I almost elaborated
okay,
everything.
no
So
no issue, no
so
issue.
I
So
cut it here.
nice hearing
Mm.
from you the details. Anyway, so do you look after
Mm.
taxes?
I'm sorry.
Do you look after taxes? Tax?
Taxes.
Yes.
Yeah. Of course. Yeah. Taxes.
So
As you've known, so I'm currently working as a. I can't hear you clearly. Sorry.
my question is basically in SAP, how input and output taxes are taken care?
Input and output. So for the input,
Hmm.
so it depends on the it's a country specific it's a country specific setup. So for my experience here in Philippines, so we have VAT or value added tax. So there is a input for the purchases, input tax for the purchases of goods or services. And then the output tax would be for the sales. So for example, you are selling goods. So of course, it depends on country specific or where which country you are implementing SAP, there would be particular setup of input or there would be particular setup of taxes. So particularly here in Philippines, so input and output tax. So that's all.
Okay. Thank you so much, Kenneth, for joining the discussion. Basically, this is a very short
Mm-mm,
interview session, and basically, this is a very preliminary round.
mm-mm,
So once you are selected here, then you
mm-mm.
are contacted for the subsequent round of interviews. Okay. So
Okay.
thank you so much again for joining this
Mm-mm,
discussion. It was really
mm-mm,
nice talking to you. It's a really nice experience.
mm-mm. Thank you.
So
Mm-mm,
I wish you a best of luck. Take care.
mm-mm. Thank you.
Bye.
Yeah. Thank you very much.